Hey guys, what is up? Cam here, coming at you live from the studio of The Brick Report, aka my garage. We are halfway into the first season of The Brick Report, which was scheduled for 12 episodes. We got 6 down, and I thought we'd take a break this week just so I could chat with you guys about the series. I want to know what you guys think of the Brick Report so far. I want to know what you like about it. I want to know what you don't like about it. I want to know your ideas and thoughts about what this show should be in the future. With the Brick Report, I tried to have a higher level of production value than I normally do on my videos. And I want to know what you guys think of that. I have to put a little extra work in to make them that way, and I want to know if you guys think that's worth it. I scheduled it for 12 episodes, and we are at the halfway point, and I just want to know what you guys think. The first episode of the Brick Report was about affiliate marketing on Warrior Plus. 232 views. Video number 2 was product launching on Warrior Plus. It was a month ago. 169 views. 3 ways to sell anything to anybody, the Brick Report, 197 views. The infamous instant money formula and 3 case studies, 170 views. The Idiot's Guide to Easy Profitable Digital Products, 214 views. Keep in mind, those first 5 episodes I advertised out to my email list, so that boosted views on the Brick Report. The last episode that I put out was called The New Marketer's Guide to Saving Money in 2019. The Brick Report, episode 6, 47 views, 6 days ago. I did not advertise that out to my list, so this traffic was just garnered from YouTube. Those numbers aren't that great. So here's my question for you guys. Is the production value worth it? I definitely have to put in a lot more work to get the production value up. And I can't say it's something I really enjoy, spending 8 hours, producing a video when I could just sit there and talk about something and give the same information. It's a little bit easier. And what's the difference for 50 views? You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I just kind of wonder, what do you guys think? What's your opinion on it? What's your take on the Brick Report? Is it the weird beard? Is it that I'm getting old? Is it that I work out of my garage and my sound quality is not very good? What is it about this stuff that is not working? You guys let me know what you think of the Brick Report. Is the Brick Report working for you? Do you enjoy it? Do you like the higher production value? What things would you like to see me talk about in the future? Here's my thing. I have 6 more episodes of the Brick Report to do. That's going to wrap up season 1, and then I'm going to have to figure out if I want to do a season 2 of the Brick Report. It's a Monday morning show, and I like doing the Brick Report, so I'm pretty sure there will be a season 2. I'm just not sure if it's going to be highly produced like the way it is now, or if it's just going to be like a talk to the camera Monday morning show, the Brick Report. I'm not sure which way to go. So that's why I'm making this mid-season break video for you guys. I would love to know what you think. Maybe my production value isn't enough. I mean, I am in my garage. I am using a work light for lighting. I mean, I do these things for 2 reasons. One, because I'm somewhat of a cheapskate. But 2, because I like to inspire people who can't afford to buy nice things, that they can still do this. They can still make it happen without expensive stuff. They can still make things happen. I firmly believe that wherever you are in life, whatever your station is in life, I don't care if you're at the bottom of the bottom, when there's a will, there's a way. And I like to convey that message no matter what. I'm not into fancy things. I'm not into high-priced goods, you know, flashing cars, flashing houses, flashing this, flashing that. You know, I'm not really into that, you know. I'm more into like inspiring people that they can do anything if they set their mind to it. I'm really more into that. And I like to think that I can inspire people both ways. Yes, I think driving down the street in a Lamborghini is going to inspire people. But I also think someone driving down the street in an old van saying, hey, I drive an old van, but all I do for a living is this. I could buy a nicer car if I wanted to. I could buy better clothes if I wanted to, but I don't really want to. I'm okay with this. This makes me comfortable. I think that can be inspiring for people too, because they can relate to it and it seems a little bit more attainable. I'm more interested in being myself and relating to you guys than I am with impressing you guys and hitting you with shock and awe. So that's kind of where I'm coming from, and that's why I do things kind of the way I do them. But I want to know what you guys think about it. I really do. I want to know if you prefer higher production value. I want to know if you prefer being sucked in by the charms of wealth. Or if you enjoy being able to relate to somebody who seems just like a normal person. How does it go for you? I'm interested. Your answers are going to shape the last 6 episodes of the Brick Report Season 1, moving into Season 2. We'll do the last 6 episodes for the following 6 Mondays, and then I'll take another little break, a week off, might do another video like this, and then we'll move into Season 2 probably. So anyways, I'd love to hear from you guys. This is just kind of like a pause for the cause powwow, and yeah, that's it. So anyways, thanks for watching the first 6 episodes of the Brick Report, guys. I appreciate you so much. And I will see you next Monday for another episode of the Brick Report. Peace, everybody.